Tuesday, May 12th, 2026. I'm here at Trinity Creek Pier 3, and this is a waterline video of Footloose. We do have a lot of bubbling and peeling and chipping of the paint on the waterline. Your port side isn't nearly as bad as the starboard side, but definitely towards the stern of the boat we have more issues as far as that paint goes. So it was harder to clean around that, and I'll get that in the video as well at the end.